Make a quick video about this lawnmower muffler, lawn tractor muffler that I have for sale. This item, I believe it came off of a Briggs & Stratton engine. I'm not sure. I've had this thing in storage for a long time and not using it, so it's time to let it go. I did some Google homework on it, and Google matched the image to a Toro muffler, and I looked at a bunch of pictures of these Toro mufflers and they look remarkably like this one. I don't believe this is an original Toro, but it could be. But on this flange here, you can barely see it, there's a company logo, and it looks like the logo spells out the word MAG, M-A-G. So I'm not sure what to make of that. But this thing measures around 16 inches overall length. Let's see, about 16, and the overall height is around 9.5. The canister diameter is roughly 4.5. Canister length is about 8 inches. The tailpipe is about, depending on how you look at it, 5 to 5.5. And the inlet pipe is about, that's shitty side, 3.25 by 8, not including the flange. The flange centers are 2 inches. Overall width of the flange is about, let's see here, 1 3/4-ish. So that's what I got, and hopefully you can use this muffler. If you can, it's up on eBay. Thanks for looking.